so that is now my cross training shoes. Hi there. So I have here my Nike In-Season TR13. It's for cross training. Actually, it's unisex. For women's, it's size 8, or you have here the Euro 39. And for men's, that is 6.5 or Euro 39. Okay, let's see. Got this for my Christmas gift. Here you go. Yes, as you can see, they have a wider heel part so that it supports while you do your weight training. And then this part, you will greatly benefit from this one when you do your mountain climbing thing exercise. All right then. So the width, it supports the narrow or the not so wide foot, and I'll show you what fits in at the maximum width. Okay, look at the sole. I get there here, the Nike one, and definitely the grip is really good. Okay, and so that's Nike for the training 1-3. Okay, just to show you, I am wearing a not so thin but not a thick socks. So just to measure, because I have a narrow foot, measuring at the widest part of my foot, I have, that is around 21 or 22 circumference. All right, 22 centimeter. And so I put this one on. It fits nicely, and still I have some room. If you do some exercises with your foot, it will be really comfy, and this one will help you while doing your mountain climbing or some exercises similar to that, wherein you have to bend your foot without losing this heel part. Alright, so that is now my cross training shoes. Thank you.